From life experience to published author, a comprehensive guide for over 50s. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey exploring how those over 50 can write and self-publish their own book or memoir. This isn't just about sharing your story. It's a potential pathway to earning extra income, creating a lasting legacy, and possibly transitioning away from physically demanding work. Over the next half hour, we'll dive deep into every aspect of becoming a published author. Let's get started. 1. Why write a book? First, let's explore why writing a book could be the perfect next step for you. 1. Share your unique life experiences and wisdom. Your decades of life experience are a goldmine of stories and insights. 2. Create a legacy for family and friends. A book is a lasting gift to future generations. 3. Establish yourself as an expert in your field. Showcase your professional knowledge and open doors to new opportunities. 4. Generate passive income. Once published, your book can earn money for years to come. 5. Transition to a less physically demanding career. Writing can be done from anywhere, at your own pace. 6. Personal fulfillment. Accomplishing a lifelong dream of becoming an author. 7. Cognitive benefits. Writing regularly can help keep your mind sharp and engaged. Remember, your perspective is unique and valuable. The world is waiting to hear your story. 1. Choosing your topic. Your life is full of potential book topics. Let's explore some options. 1. A memoir of your life experiences. This could cover your entire life or focus on a specific period or event. 2. A how-to book based on your career expertise. Share the knowledge you've gained over decades in your profession. 3. A collection of family recipes and stories. Combine culinary traditions with family history. 4. A fictional story inspired by your life. Turn your experiences into an engaging novel. 5. A guide to your hobby or passion. Whether it's gardening, woodworking, or travel, share your enthusiasm with others. 6. An inspirational book. Share life lessons and motivational stories. 7. A local history book. Document the changes you've seen in your community over the years. When choosing your topic. 1. Consider what you're passionate about. 2. Think about what unique knowledge or experience you have. 3. Reflect on what stories or information you wish you had when you were younger. 4. Research the market to see what's popular in your chosen genre. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose a topic that resonates with you personally. 1. Planning your book. Before you start writing, it's crucial to plan your book. Create an outline. 1. Start with a broad overview of your book's structure. 2. Break it down into chapters or sections. 3. Under each chapter, list key points or stories you want to include. Set a realistic writing schedule. 1. Decide how many days a week you'll write. 2. Set a daily or weekly word count goal. 3. Be realistic. Consistency is more important than speed. Identify your target audience. 1. Who is most likely to read your book? 2. What age group are you writing for? 3. What problems does your book solve for readers? Research similar books. 1. Read books in your chosen genre. 2. Look at their structure, tone, and content. 3. Identify what makes your book unique. Consider your book's length. 1. Memoirs typically range from 60,000 to 80,000 words. 2. How-to books can be shorter, around 40,000 to 60,000 words. 3. Novels usually fall between 70,000 to 100,000 words. Planning ahead will make the writing process much smoother and help you stay motivated. 1. Writing your draft. Now for the exciting part, writing your book. Here are some detailed tips to help you through the process. Establish a writing routine. 1. Choose a time of day when you're most productive. 2. Create a comfortable, distraction-free writing space. 3. Start each session with a small ritual, like making a cup of tea. Write regularly. 1. Aim for consistency, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. 2. Use a calendar to track your writing days. 3. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Don't worry about perfection. 1. Focus on getting your ideas down in your first draft. 2. Resist the urge to edit as you go. 3. Remember, you can always revise later. Use helpful tools. 1. Try voice-to-text software if typing is challenging. 2. Use programs like Scrivener or Google Docs to organize your work. 3. Consider using a timer to do focused writing sprints to overcome writer's block. 1. Start with free writing to warm up. 2. Skip difficult sections and come back to them later. 3. Take short walks to refresh your mind. Join a writing community. 1. Look for local writing groups in your area. 2. Join online forums or social media groups for writers. 3. Consider finding a writing buddy for accountability. Remember, the goal of your first draft is simply to get your story down on paper. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. 1. Editing and revising. Once you have a complete draft, it's time to refine your work. Take a break. 1. Set your manuscript aside for at least a week. 2. This will help you approach it with fresh eyes. Self-editing. 1. Read your work out loud to catch awkward phrasing. 2. Look for repetitive words or phrases. 3. Check for consistency in tone and voice. 4. Ensure your narrative flows logically. Get feedback. 1. Ask trusted friends or family to read your manuscript. 2. Join a critique group for peer feedback. 3. Consider beta readers from your target audience. Professional editing. 1. Developmental editing focuses on the big picture of your book. 2. Copy editing addresses grammar, punctuation, and style. 3. Proofreading catches final typos and formatting issues. Working with an editor. 1. Research editors who specialize in your genre. 2. Ask for a sample edit before committing. 3. Be open to constructive criticism. Remember, good editing can transform your book from good to great. Don't skip this crucial step. 1. Designing your book. Your book's appearance is crucial for attracting readers. Cover design. 1. Hire a professional designer if possible. 2. Ensure your cover looks good as a thumbnail for online sales. 3. Make sure the title is easily readable. 4. Choose images and colors that reflect your book's content and genre. Interior formatting. 1. Decide on font styles and sizes for easy readability. 2. Choose appropriate margins and line spacing. 3. Include page numbers, chapter headings, and a table of contents. 4. Consider adding images or illustrations if relevant. Ebook formatting. 1. Ensure your ebook is compatible with various devices. 2. Use a professional formatting service or learn to use tools like Calibre ISBN and Barcode. 1. Obtain an ISBN, International Standard Book Number, for your book. 2. Create a barcode for the back cover of print books. Remember, a professionally designed book will stand out in a crowded market and give readers confidence in your work. 1. Self-publishing platforms. Self-publishing has revolutionized the book industry. Let's explore some popular platforms. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. 1. Largest ebook retailer worldwide. 2. Offers print-on-demand services. 3. User-friendly interface. 4. Access to promotional tools like Kindle Countdown Deals. Ingram Spark. 1. Wide distribution to bookstores and libraries. 2. High-quality printing options. 3. Requires more technical knowledge. Barnes & Noble Press. 1. Good for reaching B&N's customer base. 2. User-friendly platform. 3. Print and e-book options available. Lulu. 1. Specializes in print on demand. 2. Offers global distribution. 3. Good for specialty books like photo books or cookbooks. Apple Books. 1. Reaches Apple's large customer base. 2. Requires a Mac to upload directly, or use an aggregator. Consider using an aggregator like Draft2 Digital or Smashwords to distribute to multiple platforms at once. Each platform has its pros and cons, so research thoroughly to find the best fit for your book and goals. 1. Marketing your book. Getting your book noticed is crucial for success. Let's dive into some marketing strategies. Create an author platform. 1. Build an author website with information about you and your book. 2. Start a blog related to your book's topic. 3. Develop an email list of interested readers. Utilize social media. 1. Choose platforms where your target audience is active. 2. Share snippets of your book, behind-the-scenes content, and personal stories. 3. Engage with readers and other authors. Local marketing. 1. Contact local bookstores for book signings or readings. 2. Reach out to local libraries for author events. 3. Participate in local fairs or markets. Media outreach. 1. Write press releases for local newspapers and radio stations. 2. Pitch yourself as a guest for podcasts in your niche. 3. Create a media kit with your bio, book info, and headshot. Online promotion. 1. Use Amazon advertising or Facebook ads to reach potential readers. 2. Participate in online book forums and groups. 3. Offer your book for free or at a discount for a limited time to boost visibility. Encourage reviews. 1. Ask early readers to leave honest reviews on Amazon and Goodreads. 2. Respond graciously to all reviews, even negative ones. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Be patient and persistent in your efforts. 1. Pricing and royalties. Pricing your book correctly is crucial for maximizing sales and royalties. Research your market. 1. Look at prices of similar books in your genre. 2. Consider your book's length and format, e-book versus paperback, e-book pricing strategies. 1. Many self-published authors find success in the $2.99–$9.99 range. 2. Consider launching at a lower price to encourage initial sales. Print book pricing. 1. Factor in production costs, printing, shipping. 2. Use the printing cost calculator provided by your chosen platform. 3. Aim for a profit margin of at least 30–40%. Royalty structures. 1. Amazon KDP offers 70% royalties for ebooks priced $2.99–9.99. 2. Print book royalties typically range from 40–60%. 3. Other platforms may offer different royalty rates, so compare carefully. Consider offering your ebook at a lower price initially to encourage sales and reviews. You can always adjust the price later based on performance. 1. Expanding your author career. Publishing your first book is just the beginning. Here's how you can expand your author career. Write more books. 1. Consider turning your book into a series. 2. Explore different genres or formats, e.g., audiobooks. Create supplementary products. 1. Develop online courses based on your book's content. 2. Offer coaching or consulting services in your area of expertise. 3. Create workbooks or journals to complement your book speaking engagements. 1. Offer to speak at local community groups or libraries. 2. Apply to speak at conferences in your field. 3. Develop a signature talk based on your book's message. Merchandise. 1. Create t-shirts, mugs, or other items with quotes from your book. 2. Offer signed copies or special editions of your book. Collaborate with other authors. 1. Participate in multi-author box sets or anthologies. 2. Co-author a book with someone in a complementary field. Remember, your book can be the foundation for a diverse and fulfilling new career. Conclusion: writing and self-publishing a book is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. It's an opportunity to share your wisdom, potentially earn income, and transition to a less physically demanding way of working. Key takeaways. 1. Your life experience is invaluable. Don't underestimate the power of your story. 2. Planning and consistent writing are crucial for success. 3. The editing process is where your book truly comes to life. 4. Self-publishing platforms have made it easier than ever to get your book to readers. 5. Marketing is an ongoing process. Be patient and persistent. 6. Your book can be the start of a new career or a fulfilling retirement project. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, prepare for retirement, or start a new chapter in your life, becoming an author could be your path to achieving those goals. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive guide to writing and self-publishing. Remember, it's never too late to become an author. Your best chapter might be the one you're about to write. We can't wait to see your book on the shelves.